I'm Apostolos Bessis. I'm the Process Optimization Manager at Elval. Elval is the aluminium rolling division of Elval Halcor. We met Flexim about 3 years ago. We used them. We used Intermarium for optimizing one of our bottleneck processes. Right now we are running some very interesting optimization projects at Elval. One of them is to optimize the schedule of the hot rolling department. So we thought that it would be very interesting to feed the results of this optimization into Flexim and gain a lot of interesting insights of the procedure. Two people are working with Flexim and one more has been trained. The training we came here in Krakow. We used the project I mentioned as our learning project. The team here in Krakow is very well acquainted with they're very professional. David gave us very good knowledge of the system, and also they're very nice people too. Strangely, it's a Flex script because you can do everything with that. There are no limitations. Personally, I'm impressed with how parametric it is. You can simulate pretty much everything, I think. This is a very well organized event. We watched some very interesting presentations. But what's more important is the connections we made and the ideas we exchanged with fellow people from other companies.